What's up guys, welcome back to the brand new video, and in today's action-packed episode we're gonna be watching some more Dingleberries in cars. So with that being said, do not try this at home, buckle up and let's dive into this. And we are starting today with a guy who decided to switch from rallying to the farming simulator. But his little shortcut led him to the ultimate pole position. He truly is an expert in his field. That sound announces the imminent arrival of a future rally champion. Good racing line there. Straight through the muddy pit and into the tree they go. This driving talent shall not be wasted. Up next we have a fully drag-prepped God Viper, with a fully functional Mustang module included. The symphony you're hearing is coming from the Formula 1 V8 engine. 750 horses of pure anger. Oh no. He locked up his brakes. That was an expensive mistake, a $150,000 one to be exact. Those engines can rev up to 1800 RPMs, which is incredible. POV, you accidentally forgot to turn on the traction control. Not the most graceful way of leaving the car meet, but it is what it is. And meanwhile on Toyota Airlines. Whoa, that was a lot of air. Oh no, that got out of hand real quickly. That's why you should stick to the speed limits. Now this Nissan Skyline R34 is going for an overtake. He majorly underestimated the corner, he was going too fast. Extended the track limits a little bit and into the gravel he goes. We are on two wheels now. Oops. A little bit of gravel and he leaned in too much, and sometimes that happens. But I'm sure his friend is gonna help him now. Or maybe not. Moving on. Right. You know, it happens. You sometimes forget you drive a car. This is what I call innovation on the go. Bro probably has 10 missed calls from Harvard. I actually need your opinion here, guys. Was this on purpose? What do you think? This guy could be from a rival company or something, who knows? And quite ironically it says Smash on a trailer, so maybe there's my answer. Ooh, this guy probably had enough of people blocking him in, so he decided to take matters into his own hands. So what do you think? Was this gentle relocation of a vehicle justified or not? Alright, we believe in speed and power, so come on now. Come on, almost there, use those chunky tires. Come on, yes.
Wait.
No, actually no. Hold it.
No, roll it back.
Oh, it's gonna flip, and it got saved by a miracle. That was a lucky tire pop.
Here we go again. No parking. Hey, you can't park there.
What is this? In case we didn't notice the first 500 signs, they put another 500 just to make sure, or what? Whoa, that guy made a rookie mistake to mess with the Mustang, so the Mustang decided to violently mess with his traction control. They're not really happy with each other.
Should I get out?
So after that minor disagreement, it's time to move on now. This is an M5 Touring with a custom exhaust. And it's very portable, as you can see.
Exhaust forward.
Now it's time for the safari adventure. That guy is full on the power. Watch out. Ooh, that actually went much better than I thought it would. On the road or in the desert, you gotta check your mirrors, man.
And boom! Tucked in the rear, elevated in the front, wheelie mode is activated.
In case you need more traction in your BMW but you don't want to buy those ridiculous subscriptions, you can always do this. Just be lazy, don't clean the snow off, and boom, instant grip. Actually, the funny thing is this is kind of working. It's not really good for the fuel efficiency, but it is what it is. I'm not an off-roading expert, but that car looks easy to flip, if you know what I mean. Come on, power, but in lowercase. Careful. Careful. And he decided to take a little nap.
You guys ever get in your C63S and all of a sudden your steering wheel does this?
That Mercedes straight up said
I don't
9.
think that's normal.
Oh, I wonder whose wheel that is.
Please get out of the road!
It's heading to the ocean side,
Oh, there we go.
which is presumably a good choice. It turned in a little bit too early, but
Here it goes. Dude!
let's see. Jimmy, get back on the road, Jimmy!
I'm gonna go slow. I'm gonna put on the
I must say it's already doing a much better job than a Mustang, because Mustang usually stays in the ditch.
holy shit. Your hazards. Jesus. Go on the other side. No.
Also, I have no idea why, but I'm so invested in this little adventure.
You guys!
I'm so curious to see where this wheel is gonna go.
Coming back! I don't know. It's gonna take a merge. Oh no.
No way.
Oh.
No way.
It's gonna go down. Okay.
Jimmy really is taking an exit.
Okay, we're passing the tire. Go to the left. Go to the left. Go to the left. Bye bye tire.
Alright, Jimmy, wish you all the best. Good luck on your endeavors. Very interesting color selection. Rose gold and pink. Let's see what is going on. No. That didn't go brilliantly. That Chevy is so high that he couldn't see the Corvette there. Is that fiberglass? I'm not sure how repairable that is, but I'm sure they'll fix it. They see me roll and they hate it. You know what? This four-wheel steering technology is getting out of hand. Bro is literally crab walking. Boo! Now seriously, do not try this. Always wait a little bit for the system to cool down and then open it, because this is not a good idea. That's one very angry BMW there. Oops. You mix bad timing with a bad driver and you get a love tap.
See shit like this, bro. That's crazy.
As you can see,
This man is driving.
this is the brand new airless tire technology. You may think there is no tire on this rim, but I assure you, there is. I'm just messing around. Max Verstappen.
What is wrong with
Questionable, but surprisingly clean overtake, which is interesting.
Yo, my man got a double wing on here.
F1 engineers, I think it's time to take out your notes and learn something from this guy.
Fast as hell.
Double the wings,
got
double the
two
downforce.
wings. Fast.
Here comes an Audi e-tron Optimus Prime GT or whatever it's called, doing a signature BMW move. What a time to be alive. But anyways, on that note guys, it's time to wrap up this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today. And if you did, please smack that like button, leave a comment and subscribe if you haven't already, of course. So yeah, that's it for today. Don't forget to power every day and I will see you in the next one. Take care guys, love you all. Ciao, ciao.
Чуть-чуть, вона може перевернутися на ту сторону.